If you're interested in learning about how influencers are using automation tools to explode their engagement, then this video is for you because we're going to talk about automation for influencers and creators. When it comes to engagement on social media, particularly Instagram, the way it works is when people comment on your posts, it's basically sending out little alerts, right, to the algorithm that your content is good. People are engaging with it, right? And a really smart ways creators are doing this is through different automations that they're setting up so that when people comment on their posts, they're able to provide value and also just like get their posts to reach way more people. So for today's video, I want to share with you a little bit more about the tool ManyChat, which is an automation tool that tons of creators are using to help them save time on social media, engage with their audiences, and provide value. And I'll also share inside this video different ways creators are using this automation tool, what I've been seeing, and how they're using it to just explode their growth, explode their engagement, and overall reach. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to understand about this automation tool, ManyChat, is that it is super robust, okay? Like you could probably have an entire course on how to like effectively use ManyChat. But just to break it down in layman's terms, have you guys seen those posts on Instagram that are like, DM me the word, creator, and I'll send you a PDF of XYZ, right? We do it. So if you follow us on Instagram, you probably have seen us do that. Or have you seen creators be like, DM me the word shoes and I'll send you my Amazon link to my favorite shoes? These are automation tools. These people are not manually sending, DMs to everyone with these links. They're being able to integrate their ManyChat with their Instagram, and then ManyChat is firing it off based on the command. I know we've all seen that, right? When you think about it from an efficiency standpoint, creators are saving time. They're not there manually having to do that. Even responding to like all these comments from a certain degree, not all, we don't want to just all outsource it to automation, but it does cut the time down if you get asked the same old questions every day and you're able just to say, comment this and you're going to get a blog post or you're going to get a link to this. It does help, right? And then naturally, what does this do? Every time someone's commenting, it's building engagement. Ding, 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 that alert is going off to the algorithm and you technically get rewarded for it. And that's why we're seeing such a big boom right now in terms of engagement when influencers are using these sort of tools. Now, let's talk about real examples of how you can use this tool, ManyChat. Now, by the way, this video is not sponsored, but ManyChat, if you are watching, feel free to hit up your girl because I got a community of creators that I'm sure would want to learn way more about how to use your tool effectively. So this video isn't sponsored, guys. I've just seen so many creators in my Inner Circle program use ManyChat, so many creators that I work with on one-on-ones, and obviously we use it, so why not share this wealth with you? So the first way we're seeing it is through comment automation. So comment automation is as simple as it sounds. The user or follower comments something on your post that sends a trigger or an alert to ManyChat to send a specific link. Now, this is where ManyChat gets very intense, so to speak, because when you do a comment automation, there's so many scenarios that you could run, right? You could send multiple links. You could send like a button, clicking multiple buttons, right? Like we recently did one that was like, here's a link to a PDF and here's a link to a training that we're doing, right? So there is not just like a one size fits all solution, but you can really customize it. I think that's what makes a tool really helpful. So what are some things people could comment, right, for you as a creator and get access to? So let's just say you're partnering with a brand and you want to use this as a way to say, hey, brand, like I have an automation tool running. I can send them the link of your product or a link of your choice. And obviously that's something you're going to charge more for, but that's a smart way to use it in a brand partnership. Now, if you're new to this channel, you guys may not know what we do here at Sidewalker, which is all things brand partnerships. It's getting creators paid. So if you are interested in learning how to get paid and you haven't been to one of my live free trainings, you need to come because that's where we're going to talk about how to get paid as a creator. And this just gave me that idea, right? That like if you go to a brand partner and you upsell them this ManyChat automation, it's a great way to like add a sell for you. Another way we're seeing lots of creators do this is to their Amazon storefront. You'll see a creator like say, hey, here's an outfit I'm wearing. Type in the word this and you'll get a link to my favorite, like I said, shoes. That is all being done through ManyChat. So if you want to send a link to your Amazon storefront, if you want to send a link to a YouTube video that you did, that's like the longer version of the video that you're posting. So let's just say on social, I did a short little video and I said, comment the word, this, that, the other to watch my 15-20 minute explanation. People that comment that will get that entire YouTube link. You can send people to a blog post. You can send people to download a PDF, like if you have a travel guide or any sort of PDF that you want to create. Again, comment automation is quite simple and it's all done when someone comments on the post. Now, another interesting way creators are using ManyChat is through conversation starters. So like when someone DMs you, Instagram has something similar where it says like frequently asked questions or like automated replies when someone DMs you for the first time. But ManyChat takes it a step further. They'll save this contact for you. So let's just say you're launching a group trip or you're launching something and you want to have that contact saved. It will do that process for you. This is obviously really great for creators who want to track anything. Like let's just say you wanted to ask a question and have like, if you are a brand that wants to work with me, are you a new brand, and brands are clicking that, you can track that and then reach out to them later. So it is a really great tracking tool. Now, another way creators are using these automations is through IG stories. So similar to the post where we have to comment something to get a DM, same thing. If you're in the stories and I do a story and I'm like, comment, again, link, shoes, this, that, the other, just directly on the story, you're going to get the link of your choice, right? Or the download of your choice. So this is something that can be done through stories as well. Also, IG lives. You can host an IG live and set the automation within the live. So if you're hosting a live and you're like, just put the word this, your audience will still get that, piece of information that you want. Now, a lot of creators in my Inner Circle program, which is my private membership for creators, we talk a lot about growing our email list. This isn't something I talk about a lot publicly because I find that creators really are focused more on brand deals and partnerships. But when we really dive into building out the ecosphere of your influencer business, emails are important and a nice upsell and value add to brand partners. And we talk about that. So I think if you are looking to grow your email list, ManyChat is a great place to do so because you can send them to a certain landing page, in exchange for the freebie that you're offering. I have seen creators, I just want to let you know, because again, I talk to them all the time. This one girl said she had this automation set up for an affiliate link and the video happened to go viral and she sold over $50,000 worth of this product just on a random viral video. She's like, I'm so happy I had that automation set up. Instead of, just having the bit.ly in your link in bio, she was like, I took it a step ahead. I knew that this video was going to do well. Let me set up an automation. And again, my students know anytime we have data, anytime we have numbers, anytime we have stats, that is great information for our media kits, our case studies to use to pitch to brands, to be like, hey, look at this, look at these conversions, look at these numbers, look how many people clicked on this link, right? Or got this freebie of mine. Brands love to track and they love those numbers. So ManyChat also sets you up for success to start, being a better partner to your brand partners, right? To start looking at them as clients and treating yourself professionally. So that's just a little word of wisdom there. Now, another interesting thing that you could do as a creator through ManyChat is set up like little quizzes. They call it surveys. They have different templates within. And again, if you were going to launch something, why not get a survey before? See if people are interested in that, right? You could say, let's just say you wanted to do a trip or a course or something. Why not have a ManyChat survey inside the DM where people can tell you, if that's something that they would want to move forward with or not. So surveys are also interesting way that you can use this automation. Now, all in all, whether you decide to use automations or not, this is for people who are treating this as a business, who do want to grow, see their posts do well, and truly for creators who are providing value, right? So I know a lot of the creators I work with who use ManyChat, they're giving back to their audience. They're like, here's a link to this downloadable. Here's a link to something super useful. And I think those are the accounts that obviously just tend to do the best because people are feeling like this account brings value to their lives. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me, do you use automations? Are you planning on using automations? And if you do like this video, go ahead and like it. It lets me know that you want to know more about creator tools to help you grow your engagement, your following, and your overall social media presence. And I'll see you guys in the next video.